It's your girl TLMitchell, and I am doing everyday look for you guys. I know I got a lot of comments or questions in my inbox on what do I use when I'm getting ready. And I usually do the same look, like the same eye look or somewhere near the same looks, pretty much the same colors, browns, purples, burgundies, shimmers, somewhere, some nudes somewhere. And I kind of wanted to share this with you guys, and I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys took from this tutorial. If you see anything else, or if you have any questions on things that I'm doing on my Instagram, like, comment, and subscribe. By the way, follow your girl on Instagram, TLMitchell, plain and simple. And it is not spelled with a Y, it's spelled with an E, SHAELA. But yeah, you guys stay tuned so we can get this cute look. See you guys. There's nothing natural about this beat, okay? The only thing is it's gonna be maybe like a subtle, really pretty eyeshadow. Like, it's not gonna be more focused on like glam. It's gonna be a little pop, but it's not gonna be much of anything. So as you can see, we're already starting off with brows already intact, and what I'm gonna go ahead and conceal my eyelids with is bring some of the concealer that I use to clean my eyebrow up, which is the Cover FX in the color PD3. Very thick concealer. This is the shade that I would have used during the summer. I'm going to be using the Narcissist palette. This is the Wanted palette. The point of me telling you the price is because I know it's really pricey, but this is one of those palettes that I usually take to take out of town with me, because it's so convenient. Like, it's so small, it fits right into my face. So it was $59 to be exact, $65 with tax. Just use this M330 brush, and I'm going to take this I think I'm going to take this color right here. And I hate when they have the names on the back, because, like, who wants to flip it over and tell you the name? This is like a reddish, it has like a slight shimmer to it. Not too much shimmer, but enough to know that she is here, honey. Now I'm gonna go in the corner, and I'm going to put the dark brown, which is going to be Coconut Groove. It give you a little something, but it's not to the point where you have to try too hard to blend it. So I will say the shadows are very, very buttery. So see how it's buffed out, it's real cohesive. I think it's really pretty. Then I take my P. Louise in the color Rumor 5, and I'm gonna cut my crease, honey. It's what you get. And all I do is go back in with the same brush. Actually, I go in with Temptress to make it a little bit lighter. Right on in, and then sweep across. Then I sweep across Coconut Groove. Was not really left on the brush, but was in the crease. Kind of take it a little bit further, and I go back in with a little bit, a very small amount. And I kind of go up in that crease area. Okay. And I'm going to take that same brush that I cut my crease with, cut it a little more right here. Keep that line defined. Don't let it dry up. Just kind of go ahead and take a flat brush. And I take like a little small flat brush. Like it's like a coloring book, so don't mess up. Stay inside the lines. And we're gonna use the white color, which is going to be, is it Biarritz? I don't know. I'm probably saying this so wrong. And put that in my inner corner. I'm not done with the eyes yet, which is crazy because I said it was going to be as simple. It really is very simple. This is quick. Like, what, 30 minutes for eyes? This is quick for me. From here, it just kind of add my little glitz. Make it still simple, but still cute at the same time. I feel like it's cute now. I could really just wear it like this, put on some eyeliner. But because I do the most, and I just feel like I have so many products, I need to utilize all of them because they're not cheap. So I have these right here. These have been my go-to. Like, even sometimes I'll just put on like a cute crease color, and then I will put these on and just put like a little liner, or kind of keep going from there. Marc Jacobs sequins pots. So they come in about like 4 colors. I only have 2. Those are the only ones that I felt like I would really utilize the most. This is Gleam Girl. She's real cute. And this is what she looks like. So that's a lot of product. The second one is Paparazzi. Like paparazzi. And she is real cute. She's like an orangey bronze looking color. Like, she is cute, honey. I sometimes either just take one of them or I take both of them. So today I'm gonna take both of them. I just take like a little brush, and this is just a little regular Coastal Scents brush. Tap inside the pot. One over with Gleam Girl. So cute. I use 2 primers for my bottom. I use the Tatcha Silk Canvas. Love this. And I use this one by itself. And I use the No Problem primer from Touch and Soul. Mix the NARS New Caledonia together. And I mix the YSL All Hours Foundation in the color B80. I'm gonna take my Morphe Y6, which they discontinued this. I'm so devastated about it. I really hope that they coming out with like the same ones. I don't know, but see, I just love these 2 mix. I use Infallible and NARS Creamy Radiant. Mix the Infallible. I usually use a brush to blend out, like it gives you more of a smoother canvas. So as you can see, like how it's like super smooth. Fit Me by Maybelline loose finishing powder, and it does look a mess, honey, and it's in the shade Medium Deep. I don't take a lot. And I do take a dry beauty blender, and I just dab it in. Probably take about this much, but I do it very lightly. I'll be taking this, my Anastasia and Mahogany Powder Bronzer. Take my Anastasia and Blush Trio. This is one of my favorites, and I do take all 4. Like, I just all across. And kind of blend it on out. So I received this in one of the Ipsy Glam bags, and I just fell in love with this highlighter. Like, I feel like no highlighter that I have been able to use will look like this one. Look at that. I haven't even blended it out yet. It's like just so pretty for dark skin. I don't know what they put in it, but honey, this is so pretty, especially when the light reflecting off of it. And it's like a, don't go to like something outdoorsy, like, you know, like a day party or something, honey. People be mad at the glow. Finally. No, I'm just kidding. But I did finally invest in some expensive eyelashes. I'm one of those people that I feel like the beauty supply lashes get you where you need to be. That's just what I feel. And don't get me wrong, I've seen lashes that look freaking immaculate, that they very well probably should have been bought. But I just was not in a headspace to think, hey, I'm gonna buy these lashes. This is just me going over my brows with the Anastasia tinted brow, and this is actually really good to use. Okay guys, so this is basically the final look. I did my hair, thank God. Phew, got a couple edge control specks up in here, but this to me is my simple look. Other than this right here in the face, I might go simpler and do nothing like on the eyes and just wear complete glam. Like, I will still complete my full face, just won't do any eyeshadows, still do brows, still do everything else, you know, all the whole 9 from there. So now and again I might put on a lipstick, but in most cases, because I know that gloss looks good on me, I just throw on gloss because I'm trying to hurry up. So this is it, and I have on the Fenty Beauty Glow Gloss. I really like this one, and I do have the other one, the frosted one. So cute. It's like my quick, I want to be cute, but I don't want to figure out what I want to do to my eyes situation. And to get this entire look, I use the Narcissist Wanted Palette. These colors can be used. I'll link the lashes below. I did get these from Tatti Lashes. These are T3 by TLMitchell. I don't know if they're just called TLMitchell or they're his actual lash brand, but they are cute. He did good. But I don't know if y'all know who TLMitchell. He's a makeup artist, and he is like bomb. He is real big on the eyes. Like, he go big or go home. And I'm like, go minimal and stay at home. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And next time, just stay tuned for more looks and more get ready with me. Yeah, thanks guys.